Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. We previously released a report on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any key updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, Nvidia has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 25.5% since we first recommended buying it 14 days ago. This means that the average daily return since it was listed as hold/accumulate stands at 1.82%. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the next trading day. With the latest developments, it's uncertain which direction the stock will take. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $600.34, which could offer a second opportunity for a successful trade. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 28.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 10.02% and 25.28%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of 103.13% over the next year, with a potential return between 59.44% and 113.91%. This translates to a price range of $982.42 to $1,318.07 after 12 months. Our latest update on Nvidia brings an interesting headline: Nvidia stock price up 0.416% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 25, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 0.416%. It went up from $613.62 to $616.17. This marks the stock's 6th consecutive day of growth. It's quite uncommon for stocks to rise for so many days in a row, so we can anticipate a possible dip in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.07%, ranging from a low of $608.50 to a high of $627.19. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 13.37% increase over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of approximately 47 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to $29.11 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume on higher prices could indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $628.48, while the lowest price was $189.50. Currently, the price stands at $12.31 or 1.96% below the 52-week high of $628.48, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James upgraded Nvidia to a strong buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank also upgraded Nvidia to an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital upgraded Nvidia to a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo also upgraded Nvidia to an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as also strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Nvidia stock. The Nvidia stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $593.08 and $515.08. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 35.41%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It is important to note that although the stock has gained in prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal 34 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator has indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 55 days ago. When we look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's take a closer look at support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple of key points to consider. Firstly, just below today's level, Nvidia has found support at $531.40 and $495.22 based on accumulated volume. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. So, keep an eye on that $531.40 mark. If it's broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $495.22 and $487.16. It's worth noting that this stock has a higher level of risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying Nvidia as high risk. In fact, over the last day, the stock moved $18.69 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.07% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, it's important to go over some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to dive into potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you can consider entering a position and use volume as a tool to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $531.40. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity for entry, as you can anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. One of the recent insiders, Stevens Mark A., bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -34.331. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $600.40, which represents a decrease of 2.56%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. The RSI 14, a momentum indicator, is currently at 97, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal that occurred 33 days ago, indicated by a pivot bottom. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? While Nvidia holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate, or even accumulating more shares, as we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Nvidia is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, January 26, we anticipate Nvidia to open up with a gain of $1.12, starting its trading at $617.29. Before we dive into the content, we want to emphasize the importance of being aware of the risks involved in trading. It's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.